Yeah, thanks so much.
Congratulations.
We did it!
Yeah, see you.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Oh, it's real. Oh, yeah.
It was a big relief. It's scary driving around the 8. It's the hardest part. So when you make it out of there, you take a deep breath and you know you did it. And I mean, it was so helpful getting to do the practice and going through the smaller 8 and getting some practice with that. Felt a lot more confident.
Yeah, like getting tips and stuff last weekend when we went and practiced in Taojian. I felt like I remembered the tips when I was doing the test, so it was nice.
Yeah, thank you for choosing us. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
We did it!
Yeah, see you.